Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best workbench is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your workshop or home crafting space, offering a dedicated and sturdy surface for all your projects, from intricate woodworking to simple repairs. Choosing the right workbench can significantly impact your efficiency, comfort, and the overall quality of your work, ensuring you have a stable and organized workspace tailored to your specific needs and preferences. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the perfect workbench for your requirements. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER WM125 Workmate. This portable workbench is your new go-to for all your projects. Its sturdy design and compact size make it perfect for any workspace. It features a durable steel frame that can hold up to 350 pounds. You can confidently tackle even your most demanding projects. The wooden vice jaws are designed to grip materials firmly and prevent damage. They're also adjustable to accommodate various shapes and sizes. Easily clamp irregular shapes using the adjustable swivel pegs. It provides versatility for any project. Its lightweight and compact design folds flat for easy storage, saving you valuable space. It's perfect for small workshops or garages. It offers parallel clamping up to 4 to 5/8 inches. This ensures precise and secure clamping for your materials. The slip-resistant feet keep it stable on any surface. No more worrying about it sliding during use. Its jaws resist warping and can be angled to accommodate uniquely shaped materials. This adds to its versatility and ease of use. What we like. It's compact and folds flat, perfect for small spaces. If you need a workbench you can easily move and store away, this is a great option. If you're short on space but need a sturdy work surface, this is the one for you. What people say. First, and I am one of those people, I arranged all the parts and hardware exactly as shown in the video, and was pleased that nothing was missing. Once assembled it seems very sturdy and, I used to have one of the original 1970s versions, not quite as solid as the original, but good enough for my home projects. This BLACK+DECKER Workmate portable workbench replaces a clone model that's sold by a large hardware chain. The real Workmate is far superior, in my opinion. It's sturdier, the table surface is more robust, and it feels less brittle than the clone. Number 4. Keter Folding Work Table. It's ready to use in 30 seconds, no assembly needed. This lightweight table is perfect for DIY projects, home improvements, or on any job site. With a large surface supporting up to 1,000 pounds and 12 clamps, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. Keep your materials secure for any job. Ideal for various tasks, from miter saws to woodworking. It folds up for seamless storage and transport. Setup and pack-up is quick and easy. Made from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, it won't rust, peel, or dent. Reliable performance in any environment. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative solutions for life at home. It's designed to make your everyday life better. What we like. It's ready to use in seconds and can handle tough jobs. If you value convenience and durability, this is it. If you need a robust, all-weather workbench for outdoor or demanding indoor projects, this is your best bet. What people say. It's sturdy and easy to set up, making it ideal for various projects. The built-in clamps are a fantastic feature, holding materials securely in place while I work. I appreciate the portability. It folds up easily and is lightweight, so I can move it around my workshop or take it to different job sites without any hassle. This thing is really sturdy. It says it's good up to 1,000 pounds. No idea if that is true, but I weighed 225 and I climbed on it and stood up and it had no trouble holding me. Very sturdy when set up and easy to fold down to save a lot of space. Much large work surface than the old one I just tossed into trash and more stable with storage space under tabletop for tools. Number 3. WORKPRO 48 Adjustable Workbench. It's built from robust steel and rigorously tested to hold an incredible 2,000 pounds. You can confidently tackle even the toughest projects knowing it will provide unwavering support. The tabletop is made from FSC-certified rubber wood, ensuring both durability and environmental responsibility. Its generous size gives you plenty of room to work. Adjust it to your perfect height, anywhere between 31 to 12 and 39 to 38 inches. Work comfortably for hours without strain. It features a built-in power strip with multiple AC outlets and USB ports, conveniently powering your tools and devices. Plus, it's ETL certified for safety. It's designed for quick and easy assembly, with clear instructions and a helpful video guide. You'll be ready to work in about 10 minutes. This workbench combines strength, sustainability, and convenience. It's the perfect addition to any workshop, garage, or home. What we like. This workbench is incredibly strong and you can customize the height for comfort. If you need a super strong and adaptable workbench with built-in power, this is the clear winner. If you work on heavy projects and value ergonomic comfort, this is for you. What people say. The top is gorgeous. I received a perfect, blemish-free top. The metal parts are heavy-duty. Nothing is scratched. Nothing is bent. Everything lines up. All hardware was there. The table turned out great. It seems to be a sturdy top and legs. The frame is good quality and so is the rubber wood top. This workbench is sturdy and a good size for a project table. That's the main reason I got it, was for the steel legs to be able to withstand more weight pressed on it. Number 2. Olympia 82-802 Workbench. This workbench is perfect for any project, big or small. Its sturdy design and convenient features will make your work easier and more efficient. It has a pegboard for organizing your tools, 2 slide drawers for smaller items, and a built-in power strip for easy access to electricity. The integrated 13-watt fluorescent light illuminates your work area, ensuring you can see every detail clearly. Made from heavy-duty steel with a durable enamel finish, it's built to withstand years of use. It has an 80-inch power cord for convenient placement. It boasts a 220-pound tabletop load capacity and a 44-pound top shelf capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. This workbench is designed to help you tackle home, garage, and industrial projects with professional-grade quality and reliability. From carpentry and assembly to repairs and DIY projects, it's the perfect addition to any workspace. Get yours today. What we like. It has integrated tool storage, lighting, and power. If you need a versatile workbench with extra features, this is the one. If you like having everything you need within easy reach, this is a great choice. What people say. It is sturdy, when assembled correctly, and pegboard is great for hanging any tool spare parts. This workbench is super sturdy and perfect for my uses. When it was together I went around and tightened everything, it would hold a tank. Number 1. 48 Adjustable Workbench. This workbench is perfect for any task, big or small. Its adjustable height makes it comfortable for various projects and users. Easily adjust it to your ideal working height, from 29.7 inches to 39.4 inches. Find the perfect position for comfort and efficiency. It boasts a sturdy steel frame and a strong rubber wood top, supporting up to 2,000 pounds. It's built to last. The rubber wood top is incredibly durable and resistant to wear and tear. A protective coating ensures longevity and prevents mold. Use it in your garage, workshop, home office, or even as a computer desk. It's suitable for a wide range of uses and settings. With detailed instructions included, assembling this workbench is quick and straightforward. You'll be ready to work in no time. What we like. It's strong, easily adjustable, and simple to put together. If you need a sturdy, customizable workbench that's easy to set up, this is a great option. If you value both strength and ease of use, this is perfect for you. What people say. The tabletop is thick and has a nice finish. The legs are very sturdy. The wheels are huge. Assembling the 48-foot adjustable workbench was straightforward thanks to the clear instructions provided. The process was smooth and intuitive, requiring minimal tools and time. Once assembled, the workbench proved to be a solid and reliable addition to my basement shop. The 48-foot x 24 dimensions were perfect for the available space, making it a well-fitting and functional choice. The build quality of this workbench is impressive. The steel legs provide a robust foundation, and the 1-foot rubberwood worktop is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. The table is rated to hold up to 2,000 pounds, and while I haven't tested it to its full capacity, it handles approximately 500 pounds of materials without any issues. The workbench is solid enough for mounting equipment, as evidenced by my installation of a real Avid master gun vise on the right corner. The vise remains securely in place, highlighting the table's stability and strength. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.